You ready to get going, Emma?
No. Yes.
She says no. Hey guys, Richard and Emma here. We're going out for a trike ride today. Coming down here to the park. But now this video is all about us just kind of cruising around, enjoying ourselves a little bit, and having some lunch. You like the eTrikes, right? So I'll take the. I'm gonna. Or do you want this one today?
No.
Or we can swap out later.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see you slam the brakes on that one and see if you go sliding off.
We didn't adjust that seat. Emma hit the brakes the other day on the eTrikes and she almost went over the handlebars because she says the seat is like really slippery. But
it's either slippery or it's pointed down too much.
I think it's just her.
Look, it's happened like 4 or 5 times now.
You know, that is kind of
slick, huh?
But Emma is going to ride the eTrikes Triker. I'm going to ride the Electric XP Trike 2, version number 2. This is the 500 watt version, not the 750. We will be getting the 750 version before too long, whenever it comes out. I think I'm going to put my phone up here in the phone holder, Emma. And I've been accidentally punching buttons over here. I'm probably dialing somebody. All right, let's power this thing up. Be careful going between these little posts right here, okay?
Something's rattling.
What's that?
I said something's rattling.
Is it something in the bag or something else?
I'm not really sure yet. It was doing it the whole time, so it's fine now, so I don't know.
Remember those back tires are wider.
Yeah. Maybe it's creaking.
All right, guys, so we're here at, what is this called, Emma? Heron's Nest Park?
Yeah.
You know what, let's go down the gravel path. This kind of goes into a dead end from what I remember, but we'll go down here a little ways, turn around and come back. It's not a very big park, so we're actually going to leave the park here in a few minutes and get out and go through a neighborhood or two, and then eventually circle around to what's called the little town center. And they got some restaurants and little things there. We'll go there over there for lunch. Sound good? We lost Emma already.
What do you mean?
Where is Emma? There she is. Yeah, these are nice paths.
Mm-hmm. I always liked this little park when we lived over in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite places to go.
Yeah, absolutely. So when we first moved to Florida, guys, we actually lived in this neighborhood. So, you know, we lived here for a little while before we even knew this little park existed back here because it's kind of tucked away.
Yep.
But nice, real nice park.
Yep.
But yeah,
I'd often go park like in the parking lot, like in the evenings or whatever, and just hang out.
Yeah. Hello. Thank you for letting us scoot by. Appreciate that.
No problem. This path is so beautiful.
It is, isn't it? It's gorgeous. I don't know where we're going. Let's go this way.
I don't know either.
Yeah, it's been a while. I've only been over here a couple of times. There's marker number 9. Keep an eye out for sneaky snakes.
Yeah.
This park is full of them. Nope, this is just a turn in the bend. Oh, big old snake. There he is. Ah, there's a snake. Oh yeah, I'm getting him. It's a black racer. Florida is just full of those guys. He's got his old ugly head all reared up, looking at us like he's ready to charge us. I'm just at that age where it's just going to be one thing after another, Emma.
Hey, I'm only at 25, and that's how my life's going right now, so.
You know, to recap what has gone on this year, I started out the year with pneumonia. Then I got better. And then it wasn't but a few weeks later I came down with pneumonia a second time. And then I had a couple of sinus infections. And then I strained my back, if I'm not mistaken, twice earlier in the spring. Then I had the vertigo incident that would not clear up. I had vertigo for almost a month. And then after that, I had surgery, but it was an elective surgery on my sinuses in order to get some polyps removed. But that was not a pleasant experience. Then I flipped the trike over on top of me and bruised some ribs and got tore up a little bit, so that took some time to heal. Woo! It's been rough. Can't wait to see what happens next. All right, so we're going to go to the left. You remember, Emma, this is where we filmed our very first video. Mm-hmm. Our very first video, right here.
Troxus.
Huh?
It was a couple of Troxus bikes.
No, it was, oh, you and I came and filmed the Troxus bikes, but our very, very first video was the mock wheel
Oh, that's
Basalt.
right. Yes,
And
that's
that was
what
filmed
it was.
right here. Yep. But you're right, I think we brought the Troxus over here.
I think we brought the truck. I think we filmed a couple videos here.
Yeah, it seems like
But yes, you're right.
I
It
think
was
I did
also
the mock
mock
wheel by
wheel.
myself.
Uh-huh.
Because I just brought a tripod out and just learning how to make videos and did it myself. That was 2.5 years ago. It's been a long time already. Mm-hmm. Actually, going on 3 years.
Yeah.
Because I got started in December. So.
Yep. It's crazy.
Crazy, crazy, crazy times.
He's got something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a little fishy.
Yep. He had a little fish. He's eating his lunch. I'm about ready for lunch. It's not quite time for lunch, but I'm getting ready for it.
Yeah.
We got a little ways to go before we get there, though. So. Oh, he's gonna let us go by.
He's a good dog.
Thank you for doing that.
Oh, poor buddy.
Hold on, stop a minute. We scare him?
He's just scared of the wheels.
Oh, okay, we'll turn around. It's not a big deal. We'll just go this way. Let's go back this way. I've never seen a dog that was scared of wheels before. I mean, usually they want to bite them. You get all excited. If you want to swap trikes at some point, Emma, we can.
Okay.
so I can test out that seat you were talking about. Does it still feel like you're sliding off?
I mean, not when I'm just riding it, but whenever I stop, it slips a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
If I brake too hard or whatever. You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll swap it in. We're gonna stop right here and do a little swapperoo.
Oh.
Okay, oh, I'm gonna have to raise the seat.
I'm just having to adjust this one.
This seat's hard to raise, you know, just,
This one's hard to lower.
yeah, the locking was pretty tight. Looks something like that. That's right there?
No.
Yeah. Oh,
Just
this is the one, yeah.
we can get a grip on it.
It's right there next to the battery. We can probably,
That's probably good.
we can probably make clamp. Tap it and move it around so it's somewhere else. All right, is that okay?
I think so. It'll be alright.
Yeah. You weren't joking.
Did you see it?
Holy
Hold on. Do it again.
Oh,
I'm telling you. You slip right off it. I was debating maybe it's, you know, I'm not very heavy. Maybe I'm not sitting on it like as, you know. You slip right off of it.
It's sitting level. I mean, it might be tilted down
I don't
just a
think
little.
it is though.
But
I think
that
it's
booger
whatever
is-
material they have.
Okay, so look, I've already ridden this a lot, and I've made a couple of videos on it, but that's not something I noticed before. But then I didn't do any hard braking before either. But if you got to do some hard braking, boy,
Yeah.
that thing's gonna throw you right off the seat.
Might want to bring it up to them.
I might want to.
Because, you know,
I
every
mean-
once in a while you get into a situation where you have to brake hard and
You know what it feels like? It's so slippery, it feels like the seat was armor-alled or something. You know how when you armor-all leather or something, how
Yeah.
it gets real slippery? That's how
Yeah.
it feels. Wow, so I'm gonna have to be real careful with my, hey, who's this
Yup.
little friend? Who's this little guy right there?
oh, poor buddy.
Yeah, he's like, I got someplace to be, can you leave me alone?
Tell you what, that seat on the Velotric
Yeah?
might be slippery, but it's more comfortable than this one.
It is more comfortable. That I will agree with you because it's wider and bigger.
Yeah.
The wider the seat, the more comfortable it is. It just provides more support.
Yeah. It also just feels like this one's not as squishy. It's harder.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Take your lesser of the two evils, I guess.
I guess. Comfortable ride, just don't hit your brakes hard.
Yeah. Smell something again.
There's an ice cream shop.
Mm-hmm. Such a nice little area.
Yeah, agent on duty, closed to vehicle traffic, but I'm hoping we can go down through here still. Maybe not, there's too many tables in the way. How are we supposed to go find some place to eat? We're gonna get out there anyway, right here. You back there?
Yeah. Don't give us much of an option.
Yeah, don't give us an option.
We're not vehicles, we're bikes.
There's a pub,
Uh-huh.
Twisted Pit, whatever that is. Oh, it's a barbecue.
Ooh,
We haven't barbecued in a while.
it could be good.
Yeah, I'll pass too. Not today. So we can go down the sidewalk. It's further down, isn't it? Oh, no, it's right here. It's right here. It says they're open. Since there's no vehicle traffic, we can park right here, huh? I just got a little too close. In case you didn't know. Shoo! It's a long day. Turned out to be a longer ride than we had planned for because I missed my turn. I'm going to turn my cameras off. Say goodbye.
Bye. Car coming up.
Yep. Thank you.
Got another one lingering back there.
All right.
There was a little duck.
Oh, was there?
Aww.
I didn't see it.
His little orange beak.
Huh. Oof. A little bit of a wobble there.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Did not see it coming up either. It was just like all of a sudden it was there. Look out, Steve. Oh, now we got all the... We're going to be out in the sun trying to get all loaded back up again.
Yeah,
We keep doing
that's
that.
okay.
We keep doing that. We should turn the truck around and park in the shade. You want to do that? Let's do
Okay.
that. Or not.
It's not like no one's using the sidewalk here, so.
My butt hurts.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be completely truthful with you.
Yeah, turn this off.